Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase account securely, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type www.coinbase.com into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Coinbase homepage to load completely. Locate and click the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Double-check that the email is entered correctly. Next, type your password into the password field. Make sure your password is strong and unique. If you've enabled two-step verification, check for the verification code on your authentication app or email. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Click the Sign In button to proceed. If you are using a public or shared computer, remember to uncheck the Remember Me option. Once logged in, check for any security alerts or notifications on your account. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Password link just below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Ensure your account settings are updated for increased security. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Always log out of your account after use, especially on shared devices. Review your account activity regularly for any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can securely access your Coinbase account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.